In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Slack Canvas not posting updates to a channel. First, open Slack in your browser or open the desktop app and sign in. In the left sidebar, click the channel that has the canvas attached. At the top of the conversation, find the header with messages and the Canvas tab beside it. Stay on Messages. Do not click into the Canvas page itself. Now turn the Canvas level update setting back on. Right-click the Canvas tab in the conversation header. In the menu that appears, hover over Canvas Options. A submenu opens to the right with 3 items. Look at the middle item. If it says Post Canvas Updates to Channel, updates are currently muted for this canvas, so click it once to turn them back on. If it already says Don't Post Canvas Updates to Channel with no checkmark, updates are already on for this canvas, and no action is needed for this fix. To confirm, right-click the Canvas tab again, then hover over Canvas Options again. The submenu should now show Don't Post Canvas Updates to Channel. This means posting is currently on, because clicking that item would mute it. This per canvas toggle is the most common cause. Anyone with edit access can switch it, and Slack saves the setting silently for each canvas. Next, check the workspace setting for Canvas update messages. In Slack's left sidebar, click the admin gear icon at the bottom. This is visible only to workspace owners and admins. When the Admin Tools menu opens, click Workspace Settings. A new browser tab opens on the Settings and Permissions page for your workspace. Scroll down until you see the Canvas Update Messages row. Then click Expand on the right side of that row. Find the checkbox labeled Disable Canvas Update Messages. If it is ticked, untick it, so Canvas updates can resume posting. Then click Save. A confirmation banner should appear at the top of the page. A workspace owner or admin can disable Canvas update messages for the entire workspace. And when that happens, no canvas in any channel will post updates until this box is unticked. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. With both settings open, the next time someone adds a new heading, paragraph, bullet, or completes a checklist item on the canvas, Slack will post a Canvas updated message to the channel about 5 minutes after editing stops. Congratulations!